Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up, you checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Got a squirrel running around up here. I'm out here early in the morning, y'all, and DRC is doing great things, y'all. We got the SR72 out here, y'all, from DRC. DRC made this thing available on Amazon and made by the same company and everything. But DRC made them tighten up a few things, y'all. So we have a black transmitter now. We have everything labeled. Everything is still laid out the same way, but it's labeled now. We actually have a better looking canopy drawing illustration there now. And I think the schematic of this thing just looks a lot better with that accent white around it. So this thing flew awesome. In case you guys haven't seen this thing flying, the original one from AliExpress, it still has brushed motors instead of the brushless ones. And I just brought this thing out here early in the morning because I wanted to see how this thing flies out here. Particularly, I wanted to see if this thing still drops out over here. There's some strong Wi-Fi interference over here. The original one was really cutting out and everything over here. Whenever I fly that thing at the field, it has no problem. But when I bring it down here, look at that, y'all, the Cybertruck. But yeah, every time I bring that thing here, it cuts out. But when I'm flying it at the field, it never cuts out. So I wanted to test this thing to see if the range is good out here, if it's being interfered with by the strong Wi-Fi over there. I put the wheels on it. It flies better without the wheels, but I threw the wheels on it this time because I had someone in my comments asking me to do some landings, to do you know, some ground landings with this thing instead of flying without the wheels and doing belly landings on the grass. That's definitely what I was planning to do a belly landing over there, but I thought about him, and so I put the wheels on this thing. What else did they change? This thing comes with 2 batteries now, y'all. 2 batteries. It comes with 2 sets of wheels, so they give you a few extras. Cost a little more on Amazon. It was on sale for Black Friday, and even before Black Friday it was on sale. That's when I purchased it. And now I think you can get this thing for about 70, a little over 70 bucks now, because you can, there's a coupon or something like that that you can clip at the bottom of the listing, well, near the middle of the listing, underneath the illustration of this thing. You can click that and get, I believe it was 13% off or $13. I'm not sure. I'll have it on the screen if I find out before publishing this video right here. But let's get this thing up in here. Let me stop running my yak. Okay, we were able to take off. Going to high alpha on me. I forgot I might have the let me see, what do I have it on? Do I have it on? Okay, that's the big rudder, as they call it. It don't seem to be cutting out or anything. Let's do a quick landing. So I had it in B, y'all. So it didn't cut out. Let's see if the differential thrust works good. Not good enough for all of this rocky road out here, y'all. So happy to say it seems like it's not cutting out. And it's taking off. Kinda high alpha on me a little bit, but not too much. Still flies great, y'all. Check it out. This thing flies great, y'all. See if we can land it. It glides awesome too, y'all. I cut throttle and just let that thing glide in. Awesome flyer, y'all. So you can get this thing off Amazon through DRC. I have a link in the description so you guys can check it out in case you want to grab it. Awesome flyer, y'all. DRC, the SR72. Thanks for watching.